Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing how to replace your Range Rover L322's rear lower tailgate boot strap. To remove the tailgate cable, you will need to get the plastic cover out your way to remove the screws with either a Torx key or 12mm socket. Sometimes the screws will rust and it will be harder for you to remove the screws, so I'll suggest you to put your knee on the tailgate to prevent it from being lifting up and then remove the screw. I will suggest you to get a genuine one, as the aftermarket cables are not that good. Now it's the time to install the new cable. If you have liked my video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.